All right, guys, so we are going to focus on your Tuesday math lesson, which is going to be grams and kilograms. Ow, ow, I just stuck myself with a stapler. All right, I hope that comm video worked really well for you guys on your Monday lesson of milliliters and liters. So we're going to be on grams and kilograms, which is 8.10, and it's workbook page 101 if you want to have that open while I'm going over some instructions. Flip to that. Yes, 101. All right, I'm sorry, this is like a big old fumble. Okay, there, now I got my board, I've got my markers, we're ready to go. Okay, grams and kilograms. So, just to recap, yesterday, you guys talked about how 1 liter equals 1,000 milliliters. Easy way to do that is to convert that would be, you're just adding 3 zeros onto the milliliters. So if we had 4 liters, we know that it's going to be 4,000 milliliters. I'm not going to give you a full lesson, but see how we just added those zeros to this number here. So pretty easy stuff. Now, grams and kilograms. So 1 kilogram, 1 kg is its abbreviation, equals 1,000 grams. So basically we're doing the same thing just with different measurements, just with kilograms and grams versus liters and milliliters. All right, so let's talk really quickly about converting this. Like always, I'm going to draw the chart. We're going to do grams and kilograms. And we've got 1,000 grams, which I just said equals how many kilograms? 1. Then we've got 2,000 grams, 3,000 grams, 4 kilograms, and we've got a blank. All right, so if we know, just like liters and milliliters, we're just going to add these 3 zeros onto the number over here. Then if we have 1 kilogram, we have 1,000 grams. If we have 2,000 kilograms, we're just going to take those zeros off, and then this is going to be, well, tried to write that backwards, it looks more like an S. That's going to be a 2. Now we're going to do the same thing here. We're going to take these off, and this is going to be a 3. Now if we have 4 here, we're going to add those 3 zeros, so it's going to be 4,000. All right, now yes, you are still going to be doing greater than, less than, or equal than with greater than, less than, or equal to on this workbook page. I just want to talk to you guys really quickly about converting things. Okay, so if you had your workbook, one of the problems is 2,900 grams. Is that blank to 3 kilograms? So when you see something like this, you know that we should automatically take this and change it into grams. So we're going to drop this down. We're going to go ahead and write 2,900 grams with a blank here, and we're going to drop this down here, and we're going to convert it. And we know that we're adding 3 zeros, right? That's the easiest way to do it. So we've got, so which one's bigger? This one. So we know that alligator is going to eat this way, right? On this one. Now let's do one more, just to make sure you guys understand it. Okay, let's see. We've got 1,500 grams. Is that greater than, less than, or equal to 2 kilograms? So we already know we're going to convert that 2 kilograms into what? You guys should all say this out loud with me. 2,000 kilograms. Yes, we're just adding those 3 zeros. And then we've got 500, or not kilograms, sorry, 2,000 grams. And we got 1,500 grams. So where is my mouth going? Over here, right. Okay. So, on page 101 in your math workbook, numbers 1 through 6, it says write more than a kilogram, about a kilogram, or less than a kilogram. No numbers, just those wordings for 1 through 6. For example, number 1 is an ice cream cone. So would it be more than a kilogram, about a kilogram, or less than a kilogram? Well, I'm sure you're probably saying to yourself, well, how do I know? Up at the top of your math workbook, it shows you that 1 gram equals the weight of a stamp. And it shows you that 1 kilogram equals the weight of a book. In your math workbook, it shows that 1 gram equals the weight of a bird feather, and 1 kilogram equals the weight of a book as well. So we know that an ice cream cone weighs more than a gram, right? But not as much as a like textbook. So what would we put there? Less than a kilogram. Okay? So that's how you're going to do numbers 2 through 6. And then 7, 8, and 9, you're going to say, would it be best to measure it in grams or kilograms? They're sitting back there if you can see her. And then you've got to estimate for 10 through 13. And then 14, 15, and 16, you're doing greater than, less than, or equal to. You guys are doing really great on all of this stuff. So I'm super, super proud of you. Tomorrow we're going to be doing page 102, and then we're going to skip page 103. That one's pretty easy. So come back tomorrow and you'll have your math lesson for Wednesday. Bye, guys.